Hello Fish Fam. Today I received my package from babytiergardens.com and comes in the priority mail and comes with a Hello Kitty sticker, which my daughter liked. Anyways, they have a nice website. I will put it in the description below, babytiergardens.com. Really well set up and has a good assortment of plants. So I am going to open this, and so I'm going to pause for a moment. Okay, here we are inside the box. Styrofoam. Repacked. This is actually still warm. And cardboard. Invoice with their card. Packing peanuts. There we go. Oh, these look nice. Okay. Ludwigia Ovalis. So they got a little bit of red in them. I like those leaves. They're gonna look nice. Got two of those. Both look really nice, so we'll see how they shape up. I assume we'll have a little bit of melt when we first put them in. And a Ruffle Sword. That looks pretty nice. There we go. It's probably better if I put my hand back a little bit. So let's see what goes next. Next up. Cryptocoryne Petchii. Oh well, I butchered the heck out of those. So I got two of those in there. And again, kind of the same thing I'm looking for. I'm looking to get a little bit different colors in here in my tank. There's one little leaf in there that's a little yellow, but I expect that. Let's see. It's hard to tell, but I actually got the green light on today for St. Patrick's Day. Next one, another crypt, Wendtii. Got two of these. They look pretty nice too. And again, these are kind of the bronze or the red type leaves that were going to come with that. And next up, I got two Anubias Nana Petites. They look nice and green. Can't help myself. Got Marimo Moss Ball. That looks pretty nice. And Trident Java Fern. Wow, that thing's huge. That's nice. It's hard to tell. I'll show you with my hand behind it. So it's basically as large as my hand. And that is what I got. So really well packed. I'm looking pretty excited to get those in. So let me pause. I'm going to kind of set it out and see if this comes in a little bit better. So this is the Ruffle Sword. There we go. This is one of the crypts. There's the Java Fern. And try to end. That thing looks fantastic. Now I wish I got another one of those. I got two of these, two bunches, so I got probably about 10 of them all together. I think that's what they said on the site. Two Anubias Petites, as you saw earlier. There we go. Well, thank you very much for watching. If you haven't done so already, please subscribe, like the video, leave a comment below, and happy St. Patrick's Day.